Magavana na maabitha nene kuma kaunti kenda magomanite kaunti-ini ya Nyeri kwarĩrĩria na kwandĩkanĩra ũrĩa mekũgacĩria ũrĩmi wa thamaki thĩinĩ wa kaunti ciao.
15 billion for 8 years. 8 years is also a long time, and I believe that during these 8 years we will achieve the aim of increasing incomes. We will achieve the aim of attaining food and nutrition security status for the poor rural households involved in aquaculture in this country.
Igongona-inĩ rĩu gavana wa Gĩthumo na mũrunawe wa Tharaka Nithi makĩendekithia ũrĩmi ũyũ ũkĩgacĩrithagio, arĩmi mateithio na ũũgĩ wa ũrĩa ũngĩmateithia marĩme na njĩra ĩkũmarehera baita.
In Kisumu, we have small scale enterprises where people are producing leather from fish. You can have sandals made of fish and fish skin, and we have some at home with my wife, and when we go to the States we wear them so that we are proud to tell them that we can make sandals from fish skin. Better come and see for yourself, but we need to make them for export.
Bwana Nteba, when you are going into this commercial farming, we need to address the issue of the market, and we also need to address the issue of the input.
Gavana wa Nyeri na mũrunawe wa Embu makĩendekithia arĩmi makĩria mateithio kũingĩra ũrĩmi-inĩ ũyũ wa thamaki.
I like to echo the words of Professor Ntiba when he tells me that in the future fish will not be found in lakes and in rivers, but right in the roofs of our homes, in our ponds, and right where we are.
The selection of the beneficiaries for assistance in for fish ponds and also the ones in the dams. We must now do that very carefully so that we get the right people and empower them.
Now, food security is critical, and the same way in the Bible we're told man or woman cannot live on bread alone, we cannot not live on just chicken and beef and lamb. So as a source of protein, fish is very important. But it's important not just because it's food, but it's also important if it can bring us money.
Ũrĩmi wa thamaki ũgũtwarithio kaunti-inĩ cia Embu, Tharaka Nithi, Kiambu, Gĩthumo, Machakos, Kajiado, Busia, Siaya, Kisii na thĩinĩ wa kaunti ingĩ ithathatũ kũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV de kaunti ya Nyeri, njĩtagwo Martin Mũnene.